you don't know, oil and gas, basically all commodities I see macro picture 1 to 2 years, at least stuff is going to still be flying through the roof for prices. So if oil prices going up, the stocks that have oil, that producing them, those should technically go up on paper. Regardless, it's going to be a hype sector. That's why we're here. We're here because it's going to hype, which means we're going to make money. Right off the bat, chart looks great. PQEFF is the current ticker, PQEFF. You see the chart here? So we basically got this 45-degree angle going down that it's been riding, but it just looks like it's wanting to break out. Lower lows, lower highs, lower highs. Is that what it is? I think this is cool. I think this one's going to be neat. It's not one of the super duper cheap ones like the 000, the trip zeros, sevens. It's not one of those plays, but it's legit. We actually already know what they're doing. And for what it is, I think it's actually pretty darn cheap. Now, where it was a couple months ago was 123% up from where it's at already. So this is one that didn't like 5 to 10x where it was like in February, but I think it's just kind of starting getting cool. So we're actually in that beginning phase of the pops, right? So we're actually going to get in that first huge pop is what I think. I could see this thing $1. I don't see why. I don't see why not. Of course, we wish we got in earlier, but we didn't. Just found this one, but we're sitting at a $65 million market cap. By all means, that's a tiny market cap for most stocks, for sure. It's super lean too. Super duper lean. Total shares, like 500 million. Float is showing 87 million. That's really low. This thing could fly with not a lot of money. So it's an oil and gas producer, but remember I always said if you're investing in oil and gas producers, you're usually always investing in things like water because water is always a byproduct until I found these people. So get this. They can not only pull out oil for less than most folks, like things like $20 a barrel or something like that, which is cheap, good. They can somehow do it with this patent that they have without pulling out any water. Waterless oil and sand production. That's huge. So I don't know how they figured that out, but that patent alone could be worth that market cap if you ask me. But guess what? We're actually pulling oil out of the ground. They're claiming the clean oil, nearly 100% extraction from rock to rock. It's crazy. ESG, they're piping that. But look at this. We have 2,500 acres in Utah, America. 8,480 net acres in PR Springs and Tar Sands Triangle in Utah. So multiple locations going on. Plus we have that patented proven oil recovery technology. Expected to extract up to 99% hydrocarbons using no water while reducing greenhouse gases at the same time. That's patented. Potential to unlock surface mineral oil sand deposits domestically and globally. I don't know. It's going too a little bit deep for me, but look at this. We got real assets. It's in America. It's safe. Phase 1, we're in right now. Just began actually in April of this year. Phase 2 starting not next year, but the following, and then the following year past that, we got another phase 3. So we have huge, big projects. This is one of those ones that you could probably just park money and forget about. Not really treat this as an OTC typical penny play, right? It is a penny play by all means. It's got a super small market cap. I don't know. Why not? They're also updating their Twitter. We like seeing all this. But take a look at what they're doing here. So they just post this, will it be Friday or Thursday? They said, company update. We have just provided the requested information to the TSX Venture. Auditors will keep investors up to date with information. What does that mean? We're going to be uplisting to more places where people can buy this stock, which usually means the stock's going to go up. More people can buy it. End goal, I'm sure, to get on NASDAQ or whatever else. But look at this. They're updating October 12th. Inform you that Petroca Energy Board of Directors has met Vancouver, BC, Canada, and is processing with due diligence on recent announced NDA, non-disclosure agreement, and verification of funds for a third party. So we got like more coming in. This is huge. This actually just popped. This dude here, Mr. Alex Trades on Twitter, Alex trades on Twitter. He's got a whole due diligence thread. I wish I would have found it a little bit earlier, but regardless, he's laying it down with these bullet points. Oil, disruptive clean tech, patented carbon neutral tech, multiple licensing deals. So again, they have that patent. So that patent alone can be worth a lot of money. They could even easily get bought out just for that patent. Scaling up operations, so we also are producing. We also have a new CEO, and I didn't know the new CEO was a former Exxon president. So the former Exxon president is the new CEO of this company. That's huge. And he said Eastern Union buyout offer of 5x the current share price. So I think that's what they're talking about here. So we have some big boys putting in some money at a price higher than we can buy it at today. I'm guessing around 50 cents. I didn't even get that far, but I want to get this out. Is this something I would go and YOLO all your money in? No, but if you want some oil and gas, oil exposure, and a clean one that's, you can just put somewhere and not have to worry about it and you can sleep at night, this might be a good one for you. If you haven't already liked, comment, or subscribed on the video, please do it. Did you know we have a Discord? Join that if you want early access to the videos and the greatest discussion out there.